for the right vehicle? Check out the 2014 Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable mid-size car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, stability control, traction control, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, keyless start, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, climate control, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, front-wheel drive. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.